Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to use parental control in Twitter. In order to use parental control in Twitter, you need to follow these steps. Now you have to understand that Twitter does not offer a built-in comprehensive parental control. So you can use a combination of privacy settings to increase safety for your younger user, and many of the most impactful settings must be made on the account itself and require a certain level of trust with the account holder itself. Now what you could actually do is in order to or alternative for a parental control is that you could hide sensitive content. So if you want to hide a sensitive content, you want to sign into your account, click on the initials from the top of the page or the profile icon, and then click on settings and support and go to settings and privacy itself. After that, you want to go ahead and click on privacy safety. So here you could go ahead and manage audience and tagging, your post content you see, mute and block, direct message and spaces as well. So accordingly, right on this page you could go and make changes, and this is an alternative for setting up a parental control on Twitter X. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.